Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So it seems another day and another talking point for gold after it hit a record high yesterday. It's seen a slight pullback in the near term, but it is gearing up for another push towards 2500, which is the next psychological level. A lot of analysts and traders are talking about where we're going to probably see resistance. Are we going to see any further pullback on the yellow metal? But their consensus is that 2500 is the next psychological level and the next target for a lot of traders. So let's just get straight into the charts now. Kept it pretty clean, didn't put really any indicators on because I just want to see the fresh dynamic on gold. Just kept the RSI on just to see if there's any divergences, which there aren't really at the moment, to say that there will be some kind of pullback on the daily chart. So we saw a few days ago that we were looking at a possible another record high. I showed you roughly about a week ago that on the weekly chart we were gearing up for this push that at that particular time this bullish candlestick was not there, so we were looking at this drive. The prediction came true, thankfully. Nice profits being made for a lot of our traders as well. If we look on the 4-hour chart for intraday, we're just seeing now that price action, as I said, had a brief pullback yesterday, naturally, because it can't keep this bullish continuation without some kind of slight pullback, not really correction at the moment. So just bear in mind that we aren't really looking to see gold start sliding anytime soon, but we are looking for another record high. So only a few dollars short, roughly trading about 24.70 at the moment. The high was 24.84, 24.85, so we're just pushing into that territory once again now, and we'll see if that has any big movement in the market for the next few days. Obviously the Fed really driving the rhetoric and saying that they probably will most likely start cutting their rates. So if that does happen, expect quite a choppy and volatile market. And speaking of volatile, we're looking at the dollar index as well, because on like I said a few days ago, we did say that there was going to be this firm support here, roughly about the 104 area. As you can see here, we have hit it a few times, but now we've crashed right through it and are now trading in the mid 103 area. So if we see the whole picture for the dollar, we're seeing now that we could have possibly another move lower to these particular areas, another dollar or so off the value from the index. So that'll be very, very interesting as well. So lots to talk about, lots to digest, lots to sink in, and you know, gold is always the story that we're looking at. It's one of our most popular assets to be trading on, and it has actually come through for us once again. So let me know what you think, what you're trading on. This video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel as usual, so feel free to like, subscribe and leave a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you very much for joining us today, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.